Hello, I'm going to show you how, or review with you how, to have a split screen so that you can look at two different windows at the same time. Okay, it'll be very helpful. This way you can actually be typing on one and doing research on another, or typing on one and looking at an article where answers are for you. Many different reasons why you might want to have a split screen. Okay, so you would want to make sure that you have I have one of my tabs open already that I want, and now I'm going to open up another one. Okay, so I have one of my tabs and the other one is open already. So what you'll do is the line here, that's when you minimize it. That's when it comes down to the bottom here. That's not what you want to do. You want to just make it a little bit smaller like this. And then you can take one of the tabs. You will left click and hold it and then slide it out like this. And sometimes you might have it where the one tab might be on top. So you will just make it smaller. I'm going to show you. It might look something like this. Well, then you will just have to resize it. So the way you do that is you put your cursor on the side and you have to just kind of go a little bit slow. And you see how now I can see the arrow. It's pointing to both the left and the right. Then you keep it so it looks like that. And again, you left click and hold. And then you can slide it to where you need it to go. Okay. And then you could do that with the other tab as well. So I'm going to move my cursor here, and you see it, my arrow is pointing both to the left and the right. So I'm going to left click and hold, and I'm going to resize it to where I want it to be. So I want them to kind of be almost equal, just so that I have the maximum amount of screen on both of them. If by some chance my screen was down lower, you can resize it going up or down as well. Again, you would put your cursor up to the top or the bottom, whichever place you needed to resize it to. Make sure your arrow's pointing both up and down. Same thing. Left click and hold, and then drag it whichever way you needed it to go. And so here I have both of my screens, and I'm going to look on this screen for my information. And then on my right screen is where I'm going to type. So I'm just going to type hello, just so that you can see that both screens would stay up. And I would look over here. I would get the information that I need to type my answers on this screen instead of having to toggle back and forth. Okay, so there you go. That's how you can have your split screen. I hope that it was helpful, whether you're learning how to do it or whether you just needed a quick little refresher. Okay, so have a great day.